I'ma serve, I'm spinning.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, I know it has been like ages since I posted a DIY tutorial video. So today's video is a DIY tutorial video, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how to make a two-piece set from a long skirt. If you have a boring skirt or just an old skirt that you no longer need, you can just keep on watching this video because in it I'm gonna show you guys how to make a two-piece set from one of my old skirts. Yeah, you can see the top here already. You can see the top is from that skirt, and then let me just show you guys what I'm wearing so that you can know what I'm talking about. So that's it. If you want to DIY your skirt like I DIY mine, you can just keep on watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and then what? And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video.